Hello and welcome. I want to just take a minute or two to introduce you to the Histofreezer FLEX. This is really a unique and innovative product, and I just want to review for you the components of the kit. Number one, you'll notice right up front that the canister of cryogen that's used in the Histofreezer FLEX is very different in the way it looks. First of all, the product was designed so ergonomically it's comfortable and easy to use. The gas also used in the product is instantly at -52 degrees and below, so that you can go right to treatment, no waiting time. The third part is, and most important, is that inside the technology that is behind Histofreezer FLEX is the ability to control the pressure of the gas and very gently dispense it, whether using buds or cones. And so when you try it, you'll notice that as first and foremost, this is a very comfortable procedure to perform with this canister. Now let's talk about the other components that go with it. First of all, let's look at the buds. So you may have in the past used something that's a foam bud or something that looks along those lines. The Histofreezer FLEX is unique in the material that it's using. It stays cold for several minutes and is reusable within each patient being treated. To use it, it will simply go onto the device, and we'll explain to you in later videos how exactly you should do this for best practices. The cones, again, are different. They come in two components. One is a cone adapter, which will go onto the Histofreezer FLEX canister, and you will select a cone size based on the lesion to be treated. We include, to help you along with that, a cone selection guide. And you'll see the instructions on this for best practices. Once you've selected the cone itself, you'll attach it to the cone adapter, and again, you'll invert the device, dispense the gas, and use. We'll explain more later. Finally, to help you practice, there is a pad that's included, and these cones are very different. You're going to be able to visually watch the gas evaporate. So you want to practice with this pad before moving on to treating patients. It's just an easy, convenient way for you to get used to it. Now, a couple pieces that are really critical to go along with within the kit. Number one, the instructions for use. You should read these. They give you not only the instructions, but all the indications, contraindications, all of the components of the kit fully explained. And finally, on the back of it are CPT code guides, which should help you in your office and billing. And then finally, something really very different, which we'll come back and explain in our final video, which is we're really proud to say that we developed this product with the environment in mind, and that the canister, when empty, will be returnable to us. So there's a prepaid label that's included in each kit. There's instructions in the box, and we'll come back again in a later video to explain how to do that. So thanks for trying Histofreezer FLEX. We hope you find this to be a great experience with great first-time outcomes. And we look forward to teaching you how to use it in the coming videos. Thank you.